Makhosini bogogo nabo mkhulu ngiyanamukela ku-channel yami nisahlele nentokazi ugogo Patricia intombi endala. So namhlanje ngithanda ukuphendula uZanele Mfeqane obuze umbuzo kuma comments wathi thokoza mntomdala, thokoza gogo, ukuphupha ukuma periods what does it mean? Cause alingehlelanga kahle leli phupho akwande. I gogo, I understand. You know, sometimes vele you feel bad only when you wake up uzibuza ukuthi ayibona ngibonisa iphupho elibi kangaka ngisiphupha ngikuba periods. Iyabona kodwa ukuphupha ukuma periods gogo akusiyinto embi. Ukhumbule umuntu wesifazane you are meant ukuthi uye kuma periods, and ama periods they mean ukuthi it's a cycle, right? Umzimba wakho uyazicleana, umzimba wakho uyazirebooter for you to get into the new system. That's why umuntu wesifazane it's advisable ukuthi ukuhamba ulala, noma umuntu wesilisa ulala nabantomazana amaningi, noma umuntu wesifazane ulala nabantomazana amaningi, especially umuntu wesifazane in one cycle. It's dangerous for you. But mawuya kuma period uyakwazi ukuthi uzihlambulule, uyahlambuluka, uyaklineka. Isikhathi la uNkulunkulu adalile ukuthi wena uzoklineka konke okungekho right ngaphathi kwena noma okungasebenzanga, ngoba kuyasho ukuthi lecanda leli alisebenzanga, fanele kusebenze icanda elisha. Abantu abadala bebakubonisa bona inhlambuluko. That's the meaning, right? Unless there is anything to your dream, like ukuthi you were on your periods, you were feeling pain, ubuzwa ngathi khona intense, then that's another thing. But if you were on your periods and wabona ama period wakho, it's not a bad thing. Uyaklineka gogo. But if you don't understand your dreams, as I always advise abantu ukuthi ma uvuka first thing in the morning you phahla and you ask your ancestors ukuthi basho ukuthini, bafuna ukuthini. Don't always panic. Abantu abadala, they use things that we are familiar with, that we resonate with, for them to communicate with us. So bayaklina kuwena, o mangithi mangabe unama pain bayakubonisa ukuthi bekunengane efanele beyihleli iphumile, maybe mhlambe ingane kamoya or spiritual miscarriage, or maybe if maybe let's say uphupha uwopha igazi, maybe kunabantu abagangayo, then it will depend ukuthi kwakuyenzakalani ephupheni. So yeah, incazelo yami gogo, hope you understand, hope you good. uNkulunkulu namadlozi namathonga akho akuvikele, akukhanyisele, kube kuhle kukhanye, ube nempilo enhle, ube nempilo ende. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ubukele ama channel, ama video wami. uNkulunkulu akubusise, makhosi bayede.